The Adventure King's Survival Workplace First Aid Kit is a must in any work environment, whether it's an office or industrial space. Plus, it's WorkSafe compliant. Designed by leading Australian first aid experts, it's got over 140 components, all clearly labelled. It's got everything from a CPR kit, emergency blanket, specially made bandages in case of snake bites, splints, and much more. It's lightweight, compact, waterproof, and comes with first aid instructions. Everything is carefully colour-coded for quick and easy access. There's even a unique reordering system when you're running low where you can scan the QR code and it will take you directly to the website for purchase. Make sure your workplace knows where to access the Adventure King Survival Workplace First Aid Kit. As a rule of thumb, you should have one first aid kit for every 50 workers in a low-risk workplace such as an office, and one for every 25 workers in a high-risk workplace such as a construction site. Keep your workers safe with the Adventure King Survival Workplace First Aid Kit.